What's up, guys? Minecraft. I'm in Minecraft. God damn it. I am in Minecraft. And then I'm in Minecraft. And look at my stuff. This is not a book. This is my mod. But these books are mine. You can tell because I have so many hours on this game. And you can tell that I died, right? That I died in the most embarrassing way. Serverfish. By the way, this is not real Minecraft. This is boom 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 boom. My crafting and building. Okay, this is crafting and building, so let's craft. Oh god. Damn! Today we're going to see how to kill a creeper because oh, don't worry, that's just open and then wow. I need more than that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I stole my building stuff.
Mana-mana mo lang. Mana-mana kami niyo.
Lagi ako.
Parehas na kayo na.
Oh, I thought it was a creeper. No, you don't. No, you don't again. Sabi mo na.
Kinukulog mo yung kwarto kapag baho. Alsan na yung loob.
Just die. Let's go. Huh? Oh, come on. Another ad. Let's put it good. Let's put the timer in there. Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Ayong papel sa iyo. Lalayasan mo naman agad ako. Mamay, mabili na ako. Excited ka. Mabili na. Wala kayong ugali.
I actually don't have a house. You may ask. Oh, hell no. Hell no, my infinite water is getting clogged. It's getting clogged. Yes. Yes. My infinite water is still here.
Dapat doon sa isa.
Diamonds again. Diamonds.
Parang no. Naligo ka.
Ligo. Okay. No, you don't. 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 Doon ako.
Wala, makiwa ko yung cellphone ko. Ano mawawala dyan sa cellphone mo? Labit-labit mo. Pag nawala, bubungaan mo. Baka may nakasingit, kaya ganyan.
I don't know.
May nakasingit na pera ko yun. Yung pera mo, nagbayad ako yung bumbay. Magkano may mo? Dati lang. Bawas na yun. Ang bawas. Tuloy, ano ulit? Ano pa nga? 150. Balik ka ulit na. Yung sa pera ko. Ano naman? Ano naman? Yung vlog ko.
Damn, I got 3 diamonds in that. Okay, just ignore the sound.
Magpara-reklamo. Alam ko naman kayo lang ng nakikinabang dyan.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ay, may karapatan kayo mag-layas, karapatan magparang gagala. Na walang karapatan. Nakaalis at may nilakad, madalian lang. Ikaw na, Chelsea, ikaw nang magaling. Ikaw nang magaling na parang urago ng busis mo. Marunong mag... Busis sa inyo, kala mo na eh. Ginhawa lang ako pag ikaw ay nakaalis na dito sa bahay. Kayo. Patigil-tigil ka pa. Ikaw ba nagpara-school lang ng dire-diretso sa isang ka na lang. Tapos ka na mag-ayos ka na.
Damn. Okay, guys. Let's go. Bye.